Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic, exercise 2.2, question number 7, 10 and 11. This is lesson number 17 and HW number 14. Okay, dear students, let us start our today's class. At first, we will solve 7 number question from exercise 2.2. Here, the question is, Musanna bought a Bengali easy book from book stall at TK 84, but the cover price of the book was TK 180. How much commission in percentage has he obtained? Here, the written price was 120, but he bought the book by TK 84. That means at first you have to find out how much taka did he get commission. If we subtract 84 from 180, then we can get it. Now the question is, how much commission in percentage has he obtained? That means in 100 taka, how much commission has he obtained? Okay. Here, the written price of the book. Written price of the book was TK 120. Musanna bought the book by TK 84. Therefore, total amount of commission. Total amount of commission is equal to TK 120 minus 84. This is equal to, it will be 36 taka. TK 36. In 120 taka, she gets 36 taka as commission. In TK 120, she gets TK 36 as commission. Now, in TK1, she gets TK 36 by 120 as commission. Now we have to find out the percentage. So in TK 100, she gets TK 36 multiplication 100 by 120 as commission. Now we can cut this 0. 3 12s are 36. Now 3 multiplication 10 is equal to 30 taka. TK 30. Therefore, the percentage of the commission, the percentage of the commission is 30%, and answer is 30%. Okay, dear the students, we have solved. It was 7 numbers, solution of 7 number. We have solved 7 number. Now we'll solve 10 number. Here 10 number question is, in a school there are 800 students. At the beginning of the year, if 5% new students get admitted, what is the number of students at present in that school? Here total number of students 800 and newly admitted students 5% of 800. So we have to for getting the answer, we have to add 5% of 800 with 800. Here total number of students. Total number of students was 800. Newly admitted students, therefore newly admitted students. Sorry, it's a number of newly admitted students. Number of newly students equal to, it will be 5% of 800. 5% of 800. Now 5% means 5 by 100 of 800. Now we can cut this 100 with 800, then it will be 8. Now 8 multiplication 5, this is equal to 40. Therefore total number of present students, total number of present students is equal to 800 plus newly admitted students 40, and this is equal to 840. Answer will be 840. Okay, dear the students, we have solved 10 number. Now we'll solve 11 number. Here 11 number question is, in a class 5% students are absent out of 200 students. How many students are present? Total number of students 200 and 5% of them are absent. You have to find out how many students are present. At first we will find out how many students are absent. In 100 students, number of absent student is 5. In 1 students, number of absent student in 200 students, number of absent students we can find out. Then subtracting the number of absent students from total number of students, we can easily get the total number of present students. In 100 students, number in 100 students, number of absent students In 100 student, number of absent student is 5. Therefore, in one student, number of absent students is, it should be 5 by 100. Therefore, in 200 students, number of absent students is 5 multiplication 200 divide by 100. We can cut 200 by 100, then it will be 2. This is equal to 5 multiplication 2 is equal to 10. So total number of absent students 10 and total number of students 200. So total number of present students will be 200 minus 10. Therefore, total number of present student, total number of present students is equal to 200 minus 10. This is equal to 190, and this is the answer of the math. Dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. Our today's SW. This is SW number 14. 14 number SW, and topic of the SW is exercise 2.2. Question number 7, 10 and 11. Okay, dear the students, our today's CW is your SW. So you will do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.